Hello, my name is Brillan Gugel, a BFA acting major at UW-Milwaukee, and I will be performing Treplev's Monologue from Anton Chekhov's The Seagull. Nina, I cursed you, and I hated you. I tore up your letters and your photographs. And yet, I always knew my heart was bound to yours forever. I can't stop loving you, Nina. It's out of my control. Ever since I lost you and started to get my stories published, my life has been unbearable. I've been in hell. My youth was suddenly stolen away from me, and I feel like I'm 90 years old. I call out to you. I kiss the ground you walk on. I see your face everywhere. That soft, tender smile that brightened up the best years of my life. I'm all alone in this world, unwarmed by anybody's affection. I feel chilled, like I'm living in a damp cave. And everything I write is hollow and gloomy, dull. Stay with me, Nina. I beg you. Or let me go away with you. Why, Nina? Why? For God's sake, where are you going? Thank you.